Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have a special one. We have a Seiko Yacht Timer Sports 100 watch. Very unique, was once worn by the astronauts, approved by NASA, all that good stuff. Let's get to the table and get into this one. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have this unique watch. And this one's pretty special in my opinion. This is the Seiko Sports 100, and it's a unique watch. It's a digital watch on the surface, but if you look, you can turn the bezel, and then all of a sudden you have a timer. Not only that, you can do set increments. So say you wanted to test like how long it took you to go in a distance for an hour or 60 minutes. You could set it to 60 minutes. It'll count down 60 minutes. Same with 45, 40. So they talk about these as being yacht timers, I think, is one of the ways they describe these watches. But it's also special because the astronauts wore this back in I think it was the 80s and the 90s. So it was approved by NASA for the astronauts to wear. So cool little watch. Again, rotating bezel, you can set the alarm, you can turn it to just a regular stopwatch, and then all these timed increments through here that you can set it to. So really unique, cool watch, highly collectible. What's also unique about this one is I have this serial number, looks like a serial number etched on the back of mine, hand etched, I should say. So who knows, maybe this did belong to an astronaut. You never know. I did receive this watch in a lot that I bought. Condition it's not the best. I mean, it's not awful. It's got a scratch on the crystal right there. It's got some scratching around the bezel, just from wearing it, from use. The band that I received it with, let me see if I can locate it real quick, was completely broken. I don't think that probably is the original band. It doesn't say Seiko on it anywhere. So I went ahead and replaced it with another resin band, a sport band. Let's get some details on this one real quick. The case size, it's about 36 millimeters. Let's go lug to lug. It's about 38, I would say. And then the lug width on this is pretty interesting. This has a fairly narrow lug width for the size of this watch, I think anyway. It doesn't fit, I would call it standard. Yeah, it's like about 17. It's just different. It doesn't fit a standard 18 millimeter band, or you can shove in a 16 millimeter. I ended up having to take a small utility knife, kind of like an X-Acto knife, and just slightly trim down the band on the edges so it would fit in there well and rotate and just be usable. But yeah, fresh battery, works great. I will probably put this one up for sale at a fairly outrageous price just to see if I get any hits on it. If not, I may just keep this one in my collection because, growing up in the 80s, it was pretty cool watching those astronauts fly around. A lot of fun. So anyway, Seiko Sports 100. You got any questions, any details about it, leave a comment please. Just a cool watch. Everything works on it too. I set the alarm. It's got a very nice loud alarm. The countdown timer works with the noise at the end. Like I said, the only thing's really these small imperfections. But I was going to talk about date real quick. There's a box on here I think we should be able to locate. So like I said, the movement's 4827, and it's got the box with the 2 letters. I'm going to put that in online here and see if we can figure out the date of this watch. So this, like I said, the movement's A827. It looks like this watch was probably made in either 1982 or 1992 is my guess, is my best guess. And it uses a standard battery. I think it was a 2016 battery. So that was fairly simple to replace. It's got the screw back, so you can use your watch back removal tool to spin it off. Now I did the reason why I think this one's probably a 1982, that rubber gasket was totally stretched and really bad shape, so I went ahead and replaced that too, so I at least could have a small bit of water resistance, although I doubt it's going to do real well with these buttons. You know, I wouldn't go swimming in it probably, just to protect it for its age. But anyway, Seiko Sports 100 Sports Timer Yacht Watch. Hey, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you know about this watch, and let's have a little discussion on it. We'll see you next time.